What is business credit and how does it work? Have you heard that businesses are getting hundreds of thousands of dollars in just minutes in their business's name without collateral, cash flow, or even using their personal credit? Yes, it is absolutely true. Even business owners with terrible personal credit are still getting approved for business credit. It's a fact, and I'm going to share with you all about how you get that done in this video. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, all you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
I'm going to share with you a simple step-by-step process on how to build business credit really fast. I'm going to share with you my insider secrets on where to apply so that you definitely get approved. And I'm going to share with you the big trap that ruins people's business credit before they even get started. Every business should have business credit. It is an absolute fact. If you have a business, then you should create business credit because your personal credit should not be what you are using to finance your business. Most businesses are self-funded, but guess what? They do not have to be. Most successful businesses get outside capital at some point, and that is why most businesses are successful. Most businesses fail because they do not have access to capital, they do not know where to get money, and because when you have a business, your income may ebb and flow, it may go up and down. You need to have capital reserves, and business credit can serve as the perfect way to have all the money that you need for your business. Business credit will allow you to borrow funds in your business's name, and it will not report on your personal credit report, well, unless you default. But businesses have business credit for a reason. Big businesses like Walmart, Target, GE, Mercedes-Benz, any business that you can think of, even Amazon, they have business credit, and that is how they get products for their business to sell. And then once they sell them, they pay those loans and lines of credit back. This way, they have all of the reserves that they need for their business. They're not worried about making a sale that day or that week in order to keep the business going. It allows them to have working capital, it allows them to have savings, and it allows them to invest in their business, hire more people, run ads, do marketing, and so much more. Every business really needs business credit because that is the lifeline of how you will grow your business. Relying on your personal savings, your personal credit, and things like that just will not cut it as you try to grow your business and take it to the next level. So let's talk about how you get this done. When it comes to business credit, you have to know that there is a big difference between business credit and personal credit. Let me first tell you about personal credit. As many of you are aware, we have personal credit scores, and we have 3 personal credit bureaus. We have Equifax, we have TransUnion, and we have Experian. Those 3 credit bureaus will give you a FICO score based on how well you've been paying your credit cards, your mortgage, your student loans, auto loans, and different things like that. But for the most part, your personal credit score is based on what they think you are worthy of, how well you've been paying other people, and if they think your debt ratio, how much money you make, is in relation to how much debt that you have. But let me tell you about business credit because it's a similar situation, but much different criteria. With business credit, you still have 3 business credit bureaus. You have Equifax Business, you have Experian Business, but more importantly, you have Dun & Bradstreet. Dun & Bradstreet is the #1 business credit reporting agency for business credit. All types of businesses that get business credit, business loans, business lines of credit, different trade lines for their business gets reported directly to the Business Credit Bureau. This way you can borrow money for your business without it showing up on your personal credit report. Are you ready to get business funding? Are you tired of using your personal credit cards, using your personal savings or your 401k to fund your business? Well, guess what? Did you know that you could build business credit, you could get business funding, and you can borrow in your business's name without using your social security number? Well, yes. Call my friend, Justin Mersch at Justin Mersch Consulting. He helped me fix my personal credit, and he is now an absolute expert in business credit. Not only can he help you build your business credit, he can help you get trade lines on your business credit report, and he can help you get business funding so that you never have to rely on your personal social security number ever again. This is the time. Banks are failing, and Justin Mersch Consulting can help you get all the funding that you, your business, your startup, your small business, whatever it is that you need, even for your side hustle. Call Justin Mersch today. Use the link below and save so much money because he is an expert and he doesn't even charge a lot for his services. Go right now. Additionally, banks and lenders give way more money to businesses than they ever do to personal people. They know that businesses need money in order to run their business, to hire people, to buy inventory, to do ads, commercials, and things like that. So they give you 10 to 100 times more than they ever would a consumer. Consumer debt and consumer personal credit cards and loans are designed for your personal household expenses. They were never designed to run an entire business, and they surely were not designed to create a multi-million-dollar business. Most of the time, you're going to need some business funds in order to really build your business. So let's talk about how you get that done. So the easiest way to start building business credit is to get a DUNS number. Like I said, Dun & Bradstreet is the #1 business credit reporting agency. It's the largest, and so many different people look to Dun & Bradstreet to find out the credit reports of different businesses, and you can be one too. All you have to do is go to Dun & Bradstreet's website, find your business, and claim your DUNS number. You can easily go in there, search your business, and if your business is already in the search engine, you can just claim that business and let them send you a code which verifies that you actually own that business. Or if you're not in their system, you can go ahead and apply for a DUNS number. Same situation, they will send you a code in the mail. You'll go back into Dun & Bradstreet's website, you'll put in that code, and you'll be a verified business. This is the fastest and easiest way to start building business credit. So let me tell you who's lending to you so you can get some trade lines on that business credit report. Let's talk about that. The first thing that you want to do to easily build business credit is to get trade lines, meaning get someone to loan your business, even a new business or a startup, some money. So the easiest way to do that is what we call vendor credit. There are companies like Uline, Quill, and Grainger that will allow you to purchase things from their website that you can use for your business, and you do not have to make a payment for at least 30 days. They will send you what's called an invoice. These invoices are what we also call net 30s, meaning they will ship you the items immediately and you will have at least 30 days to pay. That's a net 30. In some cases, they will give you a net 60 or even a net 90. This can happen maybe with the first transaction that you do, but over time, after you use Quill, Grainger, and Uline, they will give you even more credit and allow you to pay over a longer period of time. So when you first get started and you purchase something from Uline, for example, you may just buy some things and you have to spend at least $50 so that it gets reported to the Dun & Bradstreet credit report. Once you do that, you have 30 days to pay them, and then you will have your first trade line. If you do this with all three of the companies that I named, Uline, Quill, and Grainger, you could easily end up with 3 trade lines on your business credit report in just a matter of weeks. This is not a difficult process, and they are lending to businesses, startups just like you. You don't even need to have a seasoned business. They're not going to ask you for collateral. They're not going to ask to see your tax returns. They will lend to almost any business immediately. I did not start with millions of dollars in business credit. Like I said, I started very similar to what I'm teaching you now, and today I have millions of dollars in real estate and millions of dollars in business credit. But that is not how I started. I started broke, bankrupt, bad credit, no money, no job, and I was able to do all of this on my own. So you can do it too. All you have to do is start taking the steps and moving forward to build your business credit, because every business can build business credit and every business deserves business credit. My personal credit many years ago, and now 𝗀∙ Consulting is helping people with business credit too. He helped me take my credit score from in the low 6s all the way into the high 700s, and he's helped me and my students build business credit, get business funding, and take our businesses to the next level. Use the link below to contact 𝗀∙ Consulting. There are many cases where he will even give you a consultation absolutely free. Just use the link below. As a friend and a member of Noel Randall, Justin even has his own YouTube channel where he teaches on business credit and personal credit absolutely free. Use the link below and get 𝗀∙ Consulting and meet with him so that he can help take your business to the next level. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noel. To your success.